How's it going, everyone? In today's video, let's talk about on how we can use email trigger in N8N. Basically, there's two triggers that we can use, which is the Google and the IMAP for other emails out there. So it's as simple as, of course, selecting your trigger. In my case, let's do something like the on-app event right here. Maybe someone have sent me an email, and from there it will then initiate this trigger. So once again, there's multiple triggers out there, or basically there's two as of the moment, which is Google. You can just click on it, and from here I have a simple trigger on when we received a message. You just want to make sure that you have connected through your credentials. Basically, you can do this by navigating through your OAuth Google. And if you need some help, just click on the Open Docs option. And this is going to be the full tutorial on how we can do this. Once again, you just want to manage your OAuth 2 with Google. And from there, you can simply connect your Google and basically do the email trigger right here. Now for the other option that I have mentioned, it's going to be the IMAP. So once again, let's select our trigger. And then from here, IMAP, which is going to be this email trigger right here. And then you can just do the same thing. It's going to be exactly like Google. Once again, click on the Open Docs option. And from here, you have options to go ahead and connect your account with. Basically, this is using the user's account, a username. This is the email address that we are receiving an email from, a password, either the password that we use to check the email or the app password, a host, the IMAP host address for your email provider, often formatted as the imapprovider.com. You just want to check with your provider. And basically from there, you're good to go. Enter your email address, your password, host, port, and that's going to be it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.